Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Here are three 3D shapes, ABC. Write down the mathematical name for each of these 3D shapes. We can see that this is a 3D circle, so that means it's a sphere. We can see that this goes up and tapers off at one point while having a base. That means this is a cone. And any shape elongated is simply a prism. How many faces does shape C have? So let's count. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget the front and back. 7, 8. How many vertices does shape C have? So those are all the corners. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Here is a solid prism made from bricks. The bricks are identical triangular prisms. So that means that this prism is equal to this prism. Okay? The volume of the prism is 54 centimeters cubed. Work out the volume of each brick. So if we can count how many bricks there are in this, then we divide 54 by that quantity. Now we can see here that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 faces. However, it's doubled on the back. We can't actually see, but there is one here, then there's one here, then there's one here, then there's one here. So we simply multiply it by 2. And that's our total quantity. So we have 54 divided by 2 times 9, which is simply 54 divided by 18. And we can use our calculator here. 54 divided by 18 gives us 3. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.